इनवेरिएबली मुझे सारे केसेज वैसे मिल रहे हैं जिसमें आप लोगों ने डायरेक्ट रिट एप्लीकेशन फाइल करा दिया। दिस इज नॉट प्रॉपर। एटलीस्ट एडवाइस देते समय आप ये ध्यान रखिए कि आपका गलत सलाह अगर हुआ तो क्लाइंट को क्या नुकसान हो सकता है। और ये देखिए क्या नुकसान हो रहा है। 31/5/18 का फाइलिंग है आपका। आज आफ्टर अबाउट 4.5 years this matter is being taken up and for no fruitful result. In the court below itself, you would have filed protest petition, you would have filed an application for further investigation. All those remedies were available to you. Now, what remains in this writ application?
This writ application, my lord, investigate. I have given the several representation to the.
Please try to appreciate what you are saying. You moved this court for a direction to lodging of the FIR. The FIR has already been lodged. Investigation done. Still you are pressing this writ application. Yes.
The application for lodging an FIR and
lodging of FIR.
Your Lordship.
What did you do before filing this writ application?
Your Lordship, a complaint was made before the Andhra Math PS, my lord, but no action has been taken as on today also, my lord.
No action was taken, then did you proceed further in accordance with law? कैसे होगा? इनवेरिएबली मुझे सारे केसेज वैसे मिल रहे हैं जिसमें आप लोगों ने डायरेक्ट रिट एप्लीकेशन फाइल करा दिया। दिस इज नॉट प्रॉपर। एटलीस्ट एडवाइस देते समय आप ये ध्यान रखिए कि आपका गलत सलाह अगर हुआ तो क्लाइंट को क्या नुकसान हो सकता है। और ये देखिए क्या नुकसान हो रहा है। 31/5/18 का फाइलिंग है आपका। आज आफ्टर अबाउट 4.5 years this matter is being taken up and for no fruitful result. Somewhere you have this responsibility as a lawyer. लिखिए, Third Land Counsel for the petitioner and the state. Petitioner in this case is seeking a direction to the respondent authorities to the first information report against whom the petitioner has made complaint. Full stop. We further prays for adequate security to him and his family as he apprehends threat of his life and liberty from the local villagers and family members of the daughter-in-law of the petitioner. Full stop. Next. Course of hearing, learned counsel for the petitioner admits that the petitioner has not followed the procedures required to be followed for purpose of lodging of the FIR. Full stop. More than 4.5 years have gone by now, and at this stage, to the court, no threat perception could be prima facie shown. Next, in the circumstances, taking note of the submissions that the dispute in this case seems to be between petitioner and his daughter-in-law, and the petitioner has not followed the procedures required, at this stage, this court would not entertain this writ application. Full stop. It is dismissed accordingly.
Item number 11, Pramod Rajpati.
This case, my lord, may kindly see the next 3, page 36, my lord, para 9, my lord.
First come to your prayer, please.
My lord, this application has been filed for the lodging the FIR, my lord, against the respondent's second set, my lord, 8 to 17, my lord. In this case, my lord, actually an extra 3, my lord. District magistrate has been, after inquiry, sent the letter to the Principal Secretary Human Resources Department, saying that the land mafia has been purchased the land from the then respondent number 8 to 17, my lord, who is the secretary and president of that college, my lord. May I kindly see the, my lord, para 9, my lord.
Who are you? Who are you?
I am the teacher of this same college, my lord.
You are teacher of the same college.
Me.
You filed a complaint with the police station.
Yes, my lord. On the basis of the district magistrate report, my lord, I have went to the police station for lodging the FIR. He has not lodged the FIR. Thereafter I filed the Human Rights Commission, my lord. Human Rights Commission has been given the direction to the DO to lodge the FIR. Thereafter, the FIR has been lodged, my lord. But FIR has been lodged against the only one person, and exonerated that. Final form has been submitted. Thereafter, magistrate has been taken the cognizance against one person. But I have a submission, my lord, to lodge the FIR 18 to 17, respondent number 8 to 17, my lord.
Therefore, when the FIR was lodged only against one person,
My lord.
and then not against the others,
जो जमीन परचेजर है उसका उस पर इंक्वायरी करने के बाद उस पर कुछ नहीं करवाया।
listen me. At your instance, FIR was lost after intervention of the Human Rights Commission. You were not aggrieved with the lodging of the FIR only against one person. Though according to me, even if the FIR is lodged against an unknown, in course of investigation, all those persons who are found to be involved in the alleged offence may be roped in and police can submit a charge sheet against them. In your case, police submitted charge sheet only against one. Police did not submit any charge sheet.
My lord. Final form has been submitted.
Then the learned magistrate differed with the police report, took cognizance and summoned one person.
My lord.
Now he has also been discharged or what?
And that is a process.
That case is still going on.
My lord.
That case is still going on.
My lord.
So, if you were aggrieved by that submission of charge sheet,
My lord.
in the court below itself, you would have filed protest petition, you would have filed an application for further investigation. All those remedies were available to you.
My lord.
Now, what remains in this writ application?
In this writ application, my lord, investigate. I have given the several representation to the.
Please try to appreciate what you are saying. You moved this court for a direction to lodging of the FIR. The FIR has already been lodged. Investigation done. Still you are pressing this writ application.
FIR has been lodged, my lord.
इतनी देर समय इसलिए लगाते हैं.
My lord.
I could have easily dispatched this record for a disposal. कोई जरूरत नहीं थी आपसे इतनी देर बात करने की. I want to arouse your sense of advocacy.
My lord, if I had filed the protest
What
petition before.
can this writ application now proceed? No, why FIR was lodged only against one person?
My submission, my lord, my submission is the land mafia has been grabber has
So
been
you
that only for.
आप अभी भी नहीं समझ रहे हैं.
That is a public land, so I am pressing.
Please.
Otherwise, I want to be.
Maybe pressing, I may be understanding your many things.
That report is district
आपकी
magistrate.
बात बहुत अच्छी लगती है सुन करके कि लैंड माफिया उसके खिलाफ हम एक्शन ले लें, but there are certain procedures prescribed by law.
That is not my report. That is a district magistrate report, my lord. Even though government have not taken action against that mafia, my lord.
You are not.
Thereafter,
You are not looking to appeal. लिखिए, heard land counsel for the petitioner and the state. Petitioner in the present case moved this court for a direction to the respondent authorities to lodge a first information report. Full stop. Petitioner is claiming himself the founder teacher of the college and at the relevant time he was said to be working as senior most of all teachers in the college. Full stop. Respond number 13 and 14 are his own brothers. Full stop. The allegation is that they have captured the college. Full stop. These are the background of the case in which the present writ application has been filed, alleging that the land of the institution is being grabbed by the land mafias, and for that reason he had sought to lodge a first information report. Next, at this stage, learned counsel for the petitioner admits that after intervention of the State Human Rights Commission, a first information report was lodged and the matter was investigated. But his grievance is that the FIR was lodged only against one person and ultimately a final form was submitted. But the submitted, full stop. Client counsel, however, submits that learned magistrate in the court below differed with the police report, took cognizance of the offences alleged and summoned the sole accused to face trial. Next. At this stage, once again, the petitioner is looking for a direction from this court for lodging of FIR against the other persons named in the petition. Next, client counsel for the state is present and has क्या कुछ बोलना है? स्टेट को तो हम लोग सिर्फ खड़ा होके एक हाजिरी बनाने का, उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं.
My lord, what is the locus of this?
लोकस आपके पास है? कॉपी है?
Copy.
काउंटर वगैरह कुछ दिया आपने?
नहीं, अभी कुछ
नहीं दिया. तो लॉ पॉइंट पर कुछ बहस कर देते. Client counsel for the state submits that the petitioner has no locus. Locus पर कोई judgment है आपको? I remember one judgment in which the Honorable Supreme Court has said, A.R. Antule's case, that concept of locus standi is foreign to criminal jurisprudence. Anybody can set the criminal law in motion. Locus का question जो है, only under certain special statute आपको मिलेगा, like Payment of Bonus Act, Factories Act.
He could have filed the in
No,
the
no.
lower court, my lord.
You said locus. तो सोचा locus का क्या होता है मतलब?
Now I got the answer from your mouth, my lord. But I could, he could, the petitioner could have approached the lower court itself when
We
the.
expect something more from you.
You are you notated the
लिखिए.
but not discharging.
No, I will. Now I will record my observations, and that will go against you. क्या लिखे?
And counsel for the state is present and submit that the petitioner has no locus.
No locus. Full stop. Even as this court finds that the concept of locus standi is foreign to criminal jurisprudence, and the submission of learned counsel for the state would not be acceptable to this court. Full stop. In the facts of the present case, however, this court is of the considered opinion that once a first information report was lodged at the instance of the petitioner, maybe against only one person, and in course of investigation, no material could be collected against all others, and even the learned magistrate did not found fit to proceed against any other accused, any other person save and except the one who was named in the FIR, at this stage it would not be appropriate for this court, being a constitutional court, to direct lodging of FIR against the others. Full stop. The fact remains that the petitioner has not applied for further investigation or
I have given the representation. Why have I given representation? Proper investigation.
whom you have given representation.
Lord DIG.
I am saying further investigation. Where is the word further investigation under CRPC?
After submission of the final.
क्या लिखा है?
Only thing, my lord, that
Please don't disturb me while dictating the order.
The fact remains that the petitioner has not applied for further investigation.
ये बड़ी बड़ी अच्छी बात नहीं है ये, जब डिक्टेशन दे रहे हैं कोई एक वर्ड बोल करके बीच में रोक दिया, कंफ्यूजन क्रिएट कर दिया और उसके बाद फिर सॉरी बोल रहे हैं. दिस इज नॉट डन. नॉट अप्लाइड फॉर फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन. फुल स्टॉप. This court called upon learned counsel for the petitioner to say as to whether any protest petition was filed by the petitioner. Full stop. The answer is in negative. Full stop. Under these circumstances,
my lord,
this writ application.
petition has been filed, side. हमें information नहीं है, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has no information. Full stop. Next. Be that as it may, comma in the circumstances stated above, this writ application cannot be entertained. Full stop. It is dismissed.
Arvind Kumar for vigilance. Item number 12, Durgesh Nandan.